how to remove phone number from Instagram account 2022. Firstly, you need to launch the application, then you need to get into your profile selection on your account. After that, you need to go edit profile right here, and simply as you go edit profile and as you scroll down, you can find out all these selections which are capable of getting to your main point. And what you're gonna do simply from there, as you can see, you have contact options, and as you have, for example, here a phone number. From there you can simply delete that phone number or remove it without any problem. And also you can take sure that if this is displayed on your contact info or it's not, or simply if you go on profile display and you can check it from here. And the last thing what you can do to remove your phone number, it is going to personal information setting, and right from here it is your phone number. From here, guys, you can simply remove your phone number and then proceed by going on your right upper side.